Let's learn a Spanish sentence connector. Oh my god, it sounds fancy. Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is going to be a sentence connector. Sentence connectors are very useful when you want to have a long sentence in Spanish, a more complex sentence in Spanish. So the Spanish sentence connector is debido a, or debido a que. This means due to or because of, or owing to. The most common meaning of this is due to. Okay, now let's see a few examples to see how this sentence connector works. Miguel no vino a trabajar debido a que está enfermo. Miguel no vino a trabajar debido a que está enfermo. Poor Miguel. María se ha atrasado debido a la lluvia. María se ha atrasado debido a la lluvia. Poor María. Se canceló el vuelo debido a una tormenta. Se canceló el vuelo debido a una tormenta. Yikes. Patricia está enojada debido a que su novio la engañó. Patricia está enojada debido a que su novio la engañó. El restaurante es popular debido a la buena comida. El restaurante es popular debido a la buena comida. Okay, that was the sentence connector of the day. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Leave me more examples down below using debido a. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!